Hey everyone, Dave here with another update. I'm just going to get some things for dinner. We've had some really bad weather lately. It's been so dry and hot. As you can see, the corn's, geez, I think that's the worst crop of corn I've ever had. So I'm going to take some of them. Just show you. Yeah, look how small they are. Some bigger ones over there. I took a few the other day and they're nice and tasty, but just small. Nothing worth bragging about. Yeah, I'm just going to grab some. This is our volunteer bean plant. Some beans. There's some more down there. Yeah, a few beans. Small beans down there. The only thing that's actually seems to be doing pretty well in this dry weather is the turmeric. Some turmeric there. Snow peas are not liking the heat either. Well, taste alright, but they're not thriving. The black turmeric's doing well. That loves the heat. Got some little zucchinis down there. I think they're they look a bit dry looking. Needs a good water. What I'm getting today is all this. We've been taking from here. Took the real big ones out already, but well, that one's split. Too much water. They're quite old, these too. I just threw a whole handful of seeds in a row here, and that's why everything's so tight. But, pretty good. It's not your normal beetroot, this. I forget what the name is, but it's like if you cut it, whoops, if you cut it in half, it's like rings of the red. That's a nice one. Most of these are even out of the soil, so it's surprising they've done so well. Making a lot up. Here's another loose one. He doesn't look real good. I think I'll leave the rest in there. But pretty good. That'll be dinner for tonight. Yeah, very dry. Very sad veggie garden at the moment. There's all these leeks over there. They're not enjoying the dry heat. Got salsify. The salsify's, I think that's, well, I'll do another video on them when I take them up, but they're the first time I've grown them. I can't wait to see what they look like. Yeah, the ducks. yeah, that's about it. Haven't got too much to show yous. I took the rhubarb out the other week. Got some still trying to grow, but that's too hot. It's too hot and dry for rhubarb. But hey duck. Yeah, oh well. That'll do for now. Hopefully next time it's a bit greener. Alright, thanks for watching. See yous.